खासियत और जगह है ब्यूटीफुल exuberant breathtaking mesmerizing use any word in the dictionary ये है मैंग्रोव विलेज एडवेंचर पार्क इन परवूर दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस पार्किंग एरिया वहाँ पे रहेगा आपका टिकट काउंटर यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ हैं लाइक ATV
Trying ADV for the first time in my life.
well done keep going हारने का नहीं डर के आगे जीत है एट लास्ट यू फिनिश्ड सोपी फुटबॉल वाटर स्पोर्ट्स सब है इनका कैफे सामने ही है आई जस्ट हैड माई मील्स देयर बहुत टेस्टी थे लंच के लिए आई भी देखो चावल दो कितना बड़ा बड़ा है इतना बड़ा चावल केरला राइस बॉइल्ड राइस ये फिश करी ये कुछ चाकने अपना ये फिश केरला ऑथेंटिक केरला मील्स तो मैंग्रोव विलेज का टिकट काउंटर ये है यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ हैं लैंड एक्टिविटीज़ एंड वाटर स्पोर्ट्स I am going to do kayaking. I'm in love with kayaking. Mangrove Village Adventure Park. बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ हैं यहाँ देखो कैसा बना हुआ है कॉटेज शीटा में और ग्लास में अच्छा है कॉन्सेप्ट है मेक अ फ्रेम लाइक दिस which fits nice washrooms हैं लैंड एक्टिविटीज़ स्पोर्ट्स पैरामिलिट्री के पूरे हिंदू को see that cottages what they made nice no nice triangle cottages built here in Mangrove Adventure Park अच्छा है ग्रीनरी सब अच्छा है ज़बरदस्त ओके नाइस they have a cafeteria lounge reception सब है पे पूरे कायाक सब हैं देखो ये है आपका रिसेप्शन यहाँ पे आके यू हैव टू पे द टिकट एट द एंट्रेंस एंड यहाँ पे आके देयर इज अ वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस ऑनलाइन फॉर्म फिल करना ये वो वगैरह वो करके यू हैव टू स्टार्ट This is the place from where we have to go 3.5 kilometers to the mangroves. तो हमारा कायाकिंग का सेशन शुरू होता है यहाँ से नाइस प्लेस बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वीकेंड्स दे सेड इट विल बी वेरी वेरी बिजी वी हैव कम ऑन अ वीकडे and that to mid afternoon तो it's quite free देखो भी कितने ही कायक्स All set for kayaking.
Like man-made caves are there, some main part of it. I'll just give a basic instruction for you. Good evening, all of you. Yeah. Welcome to Mangalore. Where are you from? You both are from?
We are from Bangalore.
Bangalore.
You are good. Okay. Okay. You have at least before this activity? You have a multiple activities.
I've been in Odo Beach.
Where?
Odo Beach, Goa.
Goa. Oh, okay. Like once only you done. You know the basic?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, just listen for 5 minutes. Actually, we are
You want to
also
go
giving,
left?
like basic.
Right.
Yeah, naturally. I'll just explain the basic. They are doing like a first aid, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even I've done it.
You also done? Oh,
Okay. I'm the only beginner
you
there.
are the base. You are the.
And in Munnar also we did. No, take it. Huh?
Okay. Actually, this traveling is around 4 kilometers traveling. Forward, reverse, and turn. These are the basics. I'm sorry. Forward paddling. Can keep it just level all the time. Just straight your hands also. Make a 45-degree angle. You want to go forward. Can reach the front side. Dip the blade fully in the water. Just all the way back and lift it up. And then also you can do the same method. Okay. 1 2 1 2 like that. Okay. Pull the water in your both side like this. Your guy goes starting forward. Okay. This time you can just hold it tightly. Always look at the front side. Then you can start to do the paddling. Okay. This is we are going like a clockwise paddling. After sometimes you want to stop the guy starting. Just do the backward, okay? Do the reverse paddle. You don't need to flip the paddle, same position you are using, okay? This is actually like a break action, okay? You're doing continuously this paddling, your guy will start to move backward also. These are the forward stroke and reverse stroke, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Understood, right? Pull
Yeah.
and push, okay? For the turning, is already told. Like basically, we are using like a opposite direction. You want to go to the right side, you do the opposite left side. Continuously pull the water, it will turn to right side. You want to go left, you can do the opposite right side. Continuously, it will turn to opposite left side. Understood, right? This is basically we are using like that. One more turning is there. It's we are calling cube turn. Okay. No need to do opposite direction. Suppose you are going forward like this. Okay. If you want to turn the guy quickly in your right side, however one paddle is there. Same side, you can hold it, like dip it and hold it. Same side, it will turn to same side. Okay.
Nice.
It's we are going like a cube turn. Okay. You need to do the opposite direction.
Got it.
You try to practice it, you can go that way. Okay.
Okay.
You can pick up in 5 to 10 minutes. Is there basic training only?
Got it.
The guide will be like a give you instruction. Please follow the instruction.
Okay. Thank
Safely
you.
valuable things. I already mentioned. It's not our responsibility. We are looking for your safety, like your things and everything. It's your responsibility.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
These are the basics. We can start. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.
Your name?
Habit.
Abid.
Habit. Habit.
Abid. Okay. We are getting ready for kayaking. We are going to the mangroves. 3.5 किलोमीटर मालूम इतना दूर आगे मालूम हमें we are in middle of somewhere.
Right जाना है तो left मारो.
हाँ okay. Those are the mangroves I think so. क्या है देखो जी जगह ऐसी जगह में हमें कर रही सो क्या कि that eagle there. क्या है मालूम मैंग्रोव्स छोड़े तो राइट लेफ्ट इट विल गो अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन वर्कला मैंग्रोव्स फॉरेस्ट बहुत मज़े का है एंड वेरी टायरिंग टू बट बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है थ्रिलिंग लुक एट दिस ब्यूटी मज़ा आ रहा है हाँ देखो हाँ भी है देखो
Hello. Hi. Are you guys having a good time?
Yeah, absolutely. Zabardast.
It was scary when it became very narrow.
This side?
no?
Okay, okay.
हाँ.
Oh. Beautiful man. क्या है दोस्त ये मैंग्रोव्स? Oh, oh. It's full covered with trees, man. I heard there are snakes. No?
Why you make me more scared?
So chilly.
Swim.
Awesome, man, this place. कपड़ा लाया नहीं, मैं भी जा रहा हूँ पानी में. It's deep here. It's deep. मजा आ गया. Deep.
Come back! Jack! Come back! Jack! Come back!
मजा आ रहा जी बहुत. Yay! One of the best things that I did in Varkala, you know. Come to Paravur mangroves. Amazing experience. You love it. You really love it. Okay. Awesome. बहुत बड़ा है मालूम, बहुत बड़ा है भाई. बहुत मज़ा आया पानी में. मैं कूद डालिया, खुद को अच्छा पानी में खेल लिया. बहुत एंजॉय हुआ. क्या हुई? Really fun, man. You can come like this on boats also if you don't want to kayak. Nice. जबरदस्त. ऐसा ही सकते हैं if you don't want to kayak. ऐसा ही सकते हैं if you want to kayak. Want to experience this awesome place? Comment yes or no. These are the natural mangroves. देखो अभी कैसा है. Awesome, man. One time experience. Really enjoyed. पहले तो दिल बोलता नको नको करको, but when you set sail, you really enjoy it. Fun, really fun. Beautiful. हमारे वाइफ को तकलीफ दे रहा हूँ मैं वीडियो लेवल को. your hand is coming. Yeah, nice. ये परफेक्ट है. See man, कैसी है तो जगह ये. Beautiful. Exuberant. Breathtaking. Mesmerizing. Use any word in the dictionary. Come here. Mangroves. This is my third kayaking experience in my life. First was Odo Beach, Goa. Then Munnar, and this is the third one in Varkala. Up. Check out this, man. Beautiful. Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. मंजिल दूर नहीं है, बस पास में. सामने दिखाई दे रही है मंजिल.
Let's go.
चलो. Finally, 2.5 hours का session complete. An amazing experience. Please do come and have a dip also. वर्कला के परवूर में है. You really enjoy it. अभी हमारी मंजिल सामने ही है. So this was amazing experience. Please do come. If you're coming this side to Varkala, it's just not about the beaches. बहुत जगह हैं. एक एडवेंचर पार्क, मैंग्रोव विलेज एडवेंचर पार्क. I will show you the phone number. Call them before you come here.
900 किलोमीटर पूरे हुए हमारे ये ट्रिप के केरला सीरीज़ के. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेसेस, मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैं, 25 हैं बोले, द वंस हु डू दिस एक्टिविटी. एंड आई फील द बेस्ट वन इज मैंग्रोव एडवेंचर पार्क. कम हियर, यू कैन गूगल इट. You get it on Google. जाके देखेंगे. चाय मिल रही है भाई, चाय पी कर जाएंगे.
पूरा चुड़ी हो गया. मैं गरम चाय ले लिया. पैंट सब फुल गिल्ली है. जोश में आपको जंप मारता लिया पानी में. फुल चुड़ी हो गई. चुड़ी ठंड तो नहीं है. फीलिंग नाइस. चाय ले लिया. एक चाय की चुस्की भाग जाएगी सुस्ती. हाँ चाय बहुत अच्छी है. गरम चाय लवर. So we'll end this video here. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.